I'm going to do something with this wall today. I'm going to get rid of this wood chip and I'm going to make this a zhuzhy wall.
That's the anthem, get your damn hands up. H to the ISO, B to the insane. Shizzle my nizzle, the dribble down in VA. H to the ISO, B to the insane. Shizzle my nizzle, the dribble down in VA. H to the ISO, B to the insane. H to the ISO, H to the ISO.
Doesn't matter in the end if there's a few cracks here or there, because in the end I spill all the paint all over the place. Look what I just did while talking to you.
Industry shady, you need to be taken over.
The post has arrived. Seriously, I'm gonna get a new carpet at this rate. Look. There it is, YouTube's largest play button. And I'm going to chill out now with my beanbag and there'll be more episodes of me hula hooping.